If you missed the Game of Apps Season 5 Championships, here's a quick 2-minute summary. We started out with greetings from Scott Robinson and Sandra Nixon, Superintendent and Board Chair of the Richmond School District, respectively. Beth Shumka from RBC gave her greetings on behalf of RBC Future Launch. Then we introduced our judges, Carly Orr from BCIT, Stanley Lai from Wealthsimple, and our own Game of Apps mentor, Justin Lim from Amazon. The teams did their pitch presentations and demos, all of which involved addressing an aspect of inequity through a mobile app which they've designed and developed in the past 12 weeks. The judging panel asked some very tough questions. During intermission, mentors Ron from Brain Test, Joanne from Cisco, and Richard from Google conducted the season finale of our weekly coding challenge. Throughout the show, there were various giveaways presented by our lovely hosts, mentors Leah and Janice. A number of mentors gave out spot awards to individual students. The outstanding individual awards went to Travis for design, Arthur for development, and Sophie for leadership. The People's Choice Award for the most community votes went to Team NF Team. And finally, the Provincial Championships was awarded to Team Comp Sci Rejects. All in all, another successful season for the Game of Apps senior program. You can catch the entire show or the individual segments on our YouTube channel. Or you can get more details about our programs for high school students on our website. See you soon!